Hello, we're here at the Memorial Day Flea Market. We're going to do a little picking today. $12 for the pair. We're back today from the flea market. I'll show you some of my treasures. I got a cool pair of gears here. Some chain. And a bunch of random wrenches. Also got some of these dog tie-out screws. These are nice for pig's tails when I make my flying pig sculptures. Rototiller tines. These are cool to make garden flowers out of. So after I got home from the flea market, I started unboxing everything I got. It actually inspired me to make this piece here. The chain, the gears, with the wrenches, and a couple of these random little pieces were all from that single trip. It's pretty incredible how putting yourself in a different atmosphere, makes your mind start to work. It's inspired by the track from a bulldozer, almost steampunk-like. Thanks for checking out my newest project. You can find out more at meltingpointart.com.